Locate the components for the roof panels and lay out the sheets across your trestles, overlapping each panel at the first rib of each sheet. Measure and mark a centre screw point at each overlapping rib and secure the panels at this point. Position a U-channel along the top of the sheet, making sure the ends are flush. Fix a screw at the second rib at each end, followed by every second rib after that. Do not fix a screw at the corner at this time. Repeat for the bottom channel. Position the side L flashing along the ends of the sheets, making sure that the shorter side sits on the top of the roof panel. Note here that the flashing sits underneath the top and bottom U-channel. You can now fix off the corners. Mark a centre point and fix off the flashing. Repeat this process for the second roof panel. Your roof panel may have an optional skylight panel. This skylight panel can only be fitted as one of the middle roof sheets and must sit on top of the ribs of adjacent sheets to prevent water leakage. Locate the ridge beam and slide onto the edge of one of the roof panels. Flip the panel over and secure to the ridge beam at the corners first, followed by every second rib. Once completed, place both panels to one side.